Hello everyone. For this tutorial video, I'd like to show you how to analyze regular prisms, which are analogous to regular polygons in 2D geometry. And in fact, regular prisms use regular polygons directly, which we will observe when we figure out the volume of them. A regular prism is a special type of prism where the sides of its bases have equal length and equal angles. But this only works for the bases. It will not guarantee anything about the sides that constitute the height. To decompose the 3D shape into its 2D surface area, we would use one of the bases as the bottom and therefore reference point, and see, because the bases have equal length on all of their sides, that all of the sides that constitute the height would also have to have equal length, and the width of each side would simply be the height of the shape. And so it would make the most logical sense for those shapes to be rectangles. So in short, the surface area would be 2 times the area of the base, which we would use the regular polygon formula for, plus number of sides of the base times the length of one of the base's sides times the height of the entire shape. And this formula will always work, and the shape will always unfold this way, provided the prism is regular. It is similarly convenient to figure out the volume, because when we know the areas of the two bases are the same exact, it would have to follow logically that the volume is one of these areas times the height, as the area is always the same regardless of which height you are looking at. Now that we've explicitly figured out the surface area and volume of regular prisms, we can explore the surface area and volume of irregular prisms, which are directly analogous to irregular polygons from 2D geometry. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.